Is your PS5 controller's character moving on its own, ruining your gaming experience? Let's dive right in. First things first, the often simplest solution: grab a can of compressed air and gently blow around the base of the analog sticks. Tiny particles can cause the drift, and this often does the trick. Still drifting? It's time to reset the controller. On the back of your DualSense, there's a small reset button. Use a pin or paper clip to press and hold it for a few seconds. This can sometimes recalibrate the sticks. Next, let's make sure your controller firmware is up to date. Plug your controller into your PS5 using the USB cable, and then go into your PS5 settings. Then go to Accessories, followed by Controller. Check and install any pending software updates for your DualSense. If you've tried everything so far and the stick drift persists, it might be a hardware issue, and you should check your warranty. Contact Sony support or the retailer where you purchased the controller to see about a repair or replacement. Finally, for a smoother gaming time, if you still have issues after this, try adjusting the stick sensitivity settings in your game itself or the PS5 settings. Hopefully, these steps will get you back in the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more PS5 tips.